Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech to bring you the most honest reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Toshiba N300 18TB HDD, a budget-friendly NAS drive that promises to get the job done. But does it live up to the hype?
Let's find out. Alright, let's kick things off by talking about the specs and features of this drive.
The Toshiba N300 is designed for network-attached storage systems, making it perfect for anyone who needs plenty of storage space without breaking the bank.
It boasts a hefty 512 MB cache and a moderate 3-year warranty, making it suitable for multi-drive environments. In terms of performance, the N300 delivers what you'd expect from a modern 7200 RPM hard drive. While it may not match the speeds of SSDs, it still offers respectable performance for its price point. Plus, with CMR technology and a sustained transfer rate of up to 281 MB per second, it's more than capable of handling the demands of a small office or home office environment.
Now, one of the biggest selling points of the N300 is its price per gigabyte.
At around $0.0217 per gigabyte, it's competitive with other drives in its class.
However, it's worth noting that the pricing currently falls behind the N300 Pro, which offers similar features at a slightly lower cost.
But enough about specs, let's talk real-world performance.
I've been testing the Toshiba N300 in my own NAS setup for the past few weeks, and I have to say, I've been impressed with its reliability.
It's handled everything I've thrown at it with ease, whether it's streaming media or running backups. Another thing worth mentioning is the build quality of the N300. It feels solid and well built, which is important for a drive that's going to be running 24/7 in a NAS environment. Plus, with Toshiba's dynamic cache technology and stable platter technology, you can trust that your data is in good hands. Overall, I have to say, I'm impressed with what the Toshiba N300 brings to the table.
While it may not be the fastest or most feature-packed drive out there, it offers solid performance and reliability at a price that won't break the bank.
If you're in the market for a budget-friendly NAS drive,
the N300 is worth considering.
And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.